How is it going, everybody? And in today's video, I want to show you how I make the custom button for my custom controllers, like this one from Mr. Beast. And without wasting any more time, stay tuned and let's get started. Before we start, if you don't know what I'm talking about, I make some custom PS5 controllers, and as you can see, these buttons, they are all custom made. So you can see right here, and right here. And the same goes for the touchpad. I'm gonna be showing you how I made this because I know that people want to know how I did it. In my videos, normally I don't show really the whole process because it takes so long. I wanted to make a video just to show you how I do this project. Great, this is a file. Now that you have seen this, let's jump into the video where I show you how I make some custom buttons for my controllers. These are the 3D models of the box that I 3D printed to make the silicone molds. And as you can see right here, it connects really nice with these joints. As you can see in the red, you can see it better. Look at this right here. They are quite tight. Sometimes you have to sand them a little bit. You can make this from an FDM machine or from resin, doesn't matter. You have two, you have this one and you have this one. I'm gonna be leaving the links in the description down below. You know, you have seen this, let's get right into the video. With this force, guys, and as you can see here, these pins are for them to go in here. So I'm gonna start putting these guys in. Here you go. This one is ready to go. Same goes for the other part. As you can see here in the back, they connect. Now we're gonna go for these guys, but for these guys we're gonna need to use some clay. Here it is. Now this part is ready. I'm gonna clean it up a bit. Just a piece of cloth and some IPA, and we are ready to go. Make sure to clean the buttons really nice because anything you leave in there is gonna end up on your silicone mold. Even your fingerprints, anything is just gonna end up here. So clean it really well, take your time. Put this in. Now to avoid any leakage from these lines here, from the connection, we are gonna use some tape. Before I forget, we also need to clean these ones. Don't wanna make the mistake that I have made before. I'm using some IPA for this. I know it dries really fast and nothing stays behind. Absolutely nothing. Okay, these guys are ready. Let's make the silicone. For the silicone, I use a 2-part silicone. This is part B. It's gonna be a 1:1 and the hardness is 15. It doesn't have to be 15. This is the more affordable version of it, so I buy this one. We have 2. You're gonna have the equal parts of both. Now we pour the same amount of part A. This time I didn't calculate anything for the ratio of amount of silicone I will need. Maybe we'll need more, or maybe I will need less. Who knows right now? Let's see what happens. Now I'm ready to degas it. We grab the silicone, the lid, and we put it also in. The silicone is completely clean, no bubbles. So now we are ready to pour. I like to pour from one side, slow, take my time. We take our time and pour slow. We start by removing the mold. Take your time and pull. Let's remove the second one. Here you go. It's nice and clean. To make some spruce first, and for that I'm gonna be using some toothpicks. Here you go. This one is ready with all the spruce. We use toothpicks for them. There's the other one, double spruce for each button. So we are ready. Now we are ready to demold. I'm gonna be starting by filling up of this tape. So it should come off quite easily. Just peel up 1 and 2. Let's start by peeling this guys open, and hopefully we remove this guys. And I clean it, these ones too. Now it's time to mix the epoxy. Let's mix the epoxy. Make sure to mix it really well. 1-2 minutes is okay. I'm gonna use a syringe to inject the resin, and I'm gonna be using some mica powder to mix and maybe try to make something cool today. And for the background, I'm going to be using some pigment. It's gonna be a black pigment. I'm gonna start right here. Each and every single one I will do the same. Tap it in the colors, as you can see. And to be honest, again, just feel free to try new stuff. I have no idea what is going to end from this. What is gonna be the end result? Don't ask me. Black buttons today, nothing special. I may try to use some UV resin to make the galaxy effect that I really want to do, because this is not going to work. This is just something quick. I know many of you want to see how the process is done and what does it take to make something like this. Now, let's close this guy. I'm just using rubber bands to hold it in place. It's not tight at all, it's just there to hold a little bit. We'll go right there into closing it. It's nice and close, but again, rubber bands will help to keep it in place. Really nice. And we grab another one for this. Now I will inject some more just to fill them completely. Just like this, just like this. Just fill them. Today is the next day. Everything is dry. We're gonna go on and remove everything. Let's start with this one. Rubber bands. We remove the rubber bands. You can save them for the next project. Don't throw stuff away. Recycle and save some money. This is a moment when I'm really excited to see the final result. Let's see. Here we go. Moving the flashing. Ah, that's good. Oh, that's good. I expect it to be just black, to be honest. Don't expect anything amazing from this. Let's see how it looks like. Look at that. Not bad. Not bad. That looks quite cool. Okay. I'm liking that. But it's not special by any means, but I like it. It was just something quick to see how they come out. Here you go. It's just so exciting to do this. Every single time, it doesn't get old. Here we go. Let's see what we got from this one. Here it is. That looks actually quite nice. Just a little bit of color in it. Again, not bad. Take it. This one also has a bit of color in. Here it is, guys. This is what you get. These ones, they look pretty cool. Quite unique, I have to say. I really hope you have enjoyed this video, and I really hope you learned something today. If you have any other questions, please make sure to let me know in the comments down below. My name is EJ, and I will see you on the next time. Bye.